Today, we've searched the whole World Wide Web to bring you the funniest war that takes place on a daily basis all over the world. Karens versus Ring doorbells. And boy, did we find some wild ones. So let's dive right in. Somehow this clip seems to show that this Karen isn't a dog person. Do you think she reacted the right way?
Karens are a sickness. She's probably selling something. Looks like a survey, actually.
Hello. Hello, how are you? My name's Veronica. Nice to meet you. Oh, sorry, that was really rude. Why did you let him do that to me?
No, I didn't.
I don't even know who you are, man.
No, I'm sorry. See,
I'm not this kind of dog, but like.
no, he's super.
I love these kind of dogs, but it's okay. You know what? It's having me.
Okay, cool. Come on, Zeke.
I get her reaction. The guy probably just thought that she would have been, okay with his dog sniffing her or whatever. But I do think the dog kind of got a little bit too close for comfort for her. And, and she was a little bit embarrassed with it. I would say you should probably leave your dog in your house unless the person outside you think is suspicious. But in that case, you wouldn't even open the door anyway. So I don't know.
Regardless of Karen not being okay with being filmed, she's still okay with trespassing and damaging somebody else's property. Make it make sense.
Here's your doorbell. Because seriously, if not, I'm gonna have to start slamming on the door.
Wait, use your doorbell.
I'm not okay with that. No, you know what? I'm not okay with that.
What do you mean? Oh yeah. All I gotta say is she lucky that person is not home. Just because you're walking on a sidewalk and it just so happens to have you in the view, so what? You can't go on their property and just dismantle their camera. That's ridiculous. These kind of people live in their own little world, man.
Forget being woken up by natural light or an alarm clock. These poor people are woken up by their crazy neighbor Karen, and she's caught red-handed.
What the hell? You what? You smacking their door? Shit, if they weren't awake, they are now because you yelling.
Karen.
Is her name actually Karen?
Stop hitting my door. Go back home. Shut up. Go back downstairs.
What is her problem?
Hit my door one more time. Karen, you need to go downstairs.
Bro. I'm gonna just let y'all know. These hands are rated E for everybody. Now I'm gonna be civil about this because I live in an apartment complex myself. And sometimes people are a little bit loud. It's better now, but sometimes you got people playing the guitar or playing their music real loud. I am not gonna go downstairs or wherever they are and start banging on their door. That's crazy. Why not just talk it out like two normal people?
Go downstairs, Karen. Nobody cares.
She's off her meds.
Nobody cares. You're
Bro.
making I care.
Here we see a
Bro.
lady displaying very common signs of being a Karen.
Woo!
It's not looking good for her, especially considering she can't even mind her own business.
Look at the entitlement in her face.
Oh, hi. Sorry to bother you, but your sprinkler out front is broken and its water is spewing out.
Okay.
So you either need to tell the property owner or I will unfortunately have to report you to the water district for misuse of water. So I just wanted to let you know about your sprinkler.
Okay. He's laughing.
Kevin here doesn't seem to
Why did she make that her problem? I don't fucking get that.
understand that he's actually committing a crime here, but I don't think that's going to stop him either. Do you?
What the hell is he doing? Yeah, we still got caught on camera, dude. Dumbass. Oh shit. So what is he even doing here?
Karen's meltdown
Somewhere
caught
he don't
completely
need to
on
be.
camera almost has very bad results for this Ring doorbell. Take a look.
All over a cat.
All over a cat. Why is she pressing the fuck out of it?
Open your door.
Open my door. Who this bitch think she is? Open my door? The audacity. Oh, yeah. Oh, I gotta see what happens. She done lost her mind.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
Or what? What you gonna do?
Answer the door.
What you gonna do?
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
I still wouldn't trust you. How am I supposed to know that?
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Oh, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry.
Nah. This is probably the most quickest way you could ever get your wig split. Based off the energy that she's putting off, most people are going to respond with violence. I'm just saying.
I really don't want to open the door. And let you calm
Because
down.
she gonna meet the right one day.
Open the door.
Who does she think she is, man? This is my house.
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or if
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is something wrong.
Made you angry.
Then say it.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You gonna go to somebody's house and ask them who they are? Oh, yeah. It's a sickness, people.
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this
It's a
house.
sickness.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet.
No shit.
If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed up. My son is very allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house. Keep your cat. It's your cat. I've already met your husband about it.
This behavior still isn't justified at all. You could be angry. Fine, you could be angry. But this is not how you go about it.
It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside.
Wait,
Keep your cat inside.
is she saying that that's not her cat? I don't see any subtitles.
Your orange cat.
She probably got the
If
wrong
you
fucking
would
house.
open the door, I can show you.
I can't even
This
hear.
entitled Karen
I couldn't even hear the other person's response. Damn. What it seems like is the person inside the house was saying that wasn't my cat, which makes her whole scene ridiculous.
really wasn't happy with the tip she received, but you won't believe what she did next.
Oh, I think I saw this one already.
You can leave it, thank you.
What she?
You can leave it.
No, I could speak to you actually.
I'm sorry?
I need to speak to you. I don't think you realize where they're coming from, so I need to speak to you.
Where what's coming from?
Where the food you ordered is coming from. I don't think you realize the distance that it's come from, because then you would never actually have given what you gave. So
Doesn't matter.
you can come and see face to face.
It does not
I
matter.
drove 40 minutes. And it was extremely far, and I got it to you early. So I don't think you realize where you ordered from.
Unfortunately, when you're working as an Uber Eats driver or a DoorDash driver, you're going to have shitty tips anyway. I mean, not everybody's going to tip you what you probably deserve, right? It's not up to you to go to them to dispute that you should get more money for driving wherever you drove to the person. It's just something that you got to deal with, you know? Now, in her case, if I remember correctly, I don't think she actually drove 40 minutes to go deliver this food. I think it was more like 15 or 20 minutes. So she's tripping, man.
I don't understand.
Well, I think
From where?
from the restaurant that you ordered from. Do you realize how far it is? Do you realize you ordered from Colmac and you're in Smithtown?
It doesn't matter.
That's a 15, 20 minute.
Yeah.
It's not. You need to try to drive it. I just drove it. It's 40 minutes. It's 12 and a half miles.
You did not drive no 40 minutes.
I don't think you realize how far it is.
So
I
what do
think
you expect to pick up if you think it's that far?
they don't let us know how far. So I think you need to adjust your tip.
Nah. Imagine telling somebody they need to adjust their tip. Woo! My blood is boiling, people.
To make it right.
To make it right.
You gave an $8 tip.
Well, that's your $8.
What are you looking for? I gave an $8.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the food back. I'm gonna bring the food back. Okay.
The hell you ain't. People, ladies and gentlemen, people at home. If I'm hungry and she's carrying on like this and she just said, I'm going to take the food back. Oh, hell no. I wouldn't tell you what I would do, ladies and gentlemen, but just so you know,
I'm eating that damn food.
DoorDash is already expensive as fuck. Cue the boss music. Nah, she ain't. I'm not letting her get to the car. I'm getting that damn food, especially if I'm hungry.
40 minutes it took her to get it? Okay.
Imagine if this Karen did work for the FBI. I wouldn't trust her anywhere undercover.
Who are you? Investigator from the California State Board of Equalization.
That's the biggest cap I've ever heard.
So
Who are you looking for?
do you own this property? Are you the owner?
Are you looking for?
I'm looking for the owner of the property.
Well, then I'm pretty sure if you're the tax fraud investigator for the state of California that you'll know how to find a property owner.
Exactly. Dumb.
Well, if you're not the tenant on a lease, then I'm going to have the police out here and have you removed in 2 days.
She didn't really rehearse this that good, obviously. I mean, you would think a tax board investigator would probably dress the part, don't you think?
You understand?
You're funny.
Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
You look like you're on drugs.
Unless
you okay?
That's exactly what she's doing.
Looks like you're on drugs.
You're
It
on
doesn't
video.
matter.
You can't even see me, dummy.
It doesn't matter.
We'll see what the police say.
It doesn't matter. It
Well,
doesn't
what do
matter
you say?
if you're. Well, this house looks like it's got issues.
You got issues.
Okay,
You have issues.
and there's no.
Some-
Okay. Oh, some to your door. You got squatters here at this property, and I'm going to prove to the police that you don't own it. Okay.
You're a squatter. You're on my property. Get off it.
Bruh. What? Who are, bro? I can't with these videos, bro. I can't believe these are real people. Yo, these are real people in the world.
Actually, you know what? I'm going to have you removed from this property in 2 seconds, and I've got your phone number out here and your son's card. And I'm
Time's
going to
up.
make sure that he's doing no construction without a license.
Oh,
Handle your business.
yeah, handle your business, dummy.
Handle your business, because this house looks
Come-
like
You look like Go take a shower.
I was thinking the same.
you got spider webs in your lawn.
You had spider webs in your crotch.
Oh, I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking the same thing.
You know what? Go back to doing your drugs and squat on houses that you can't afford, lady, because you're going to be gone.
Karen
She's
and Kevin are
high
so
or just
entitled, and they
mentally
do
ill.
not care that their neighbor's Ring doorbell films what they do. What
Neither
they
one.
ask is absolutely crazy.
Just married and I'm in my slippers. Oh, crap. This is such a problem.
We ran out of gas, and I seen your gas truck out back. If you don't mind, we're gonna use it, but we're gonna fill it up. We're gonna bring it back. And we got your last.
We're only gonna use half. We'll fill it back up.
We got your last beer. And I know she got the message about her family they can't stay here. But
We're just gonna put a tent right out here. That way they don't bother you
Right.
and anything, and then my mom doesn't get disturbed either by anybody.
Wait. What? Huh? How did it go from, hey, man, we're going to use your gas to, hey, we're going to pinch a tent and we're going to have some family over? What the fuck are they talking about?
Because I'm late at night,
So
thank you for that, though.
We're gonna hook the
We'll
tent
hook the tent up tomorrow night.
We'll have it hooked up.
She'll come down. You'll never know she's here, and then she'll leave in the morning.
But we'll have to use that tent. We're gonna hook power up to it too.
So they weren't asking, they were telling this man.
It all hooked up for them, but we appreciate
Thanks,
it.
guys.
Thanks. And we'll get your gas filled back up.
I'm sure.
Thank you.
Ring doorbells
Wow.
truly capture all of humanity,
Really, dude?
including this Karen who tries to steal a parcel. But when she's caught red-handed by the owner, she gets second thoughts. Take a look.
Parcel. What's a parcel?
No, don't do that.
Dummy. You dummy.
Karen here truly
and you
didn't
live there.
realize how fast karma can truly come around.
And I'm going to remember you when you go back to your apartment. Then I'm going to check you. They don't be thinking, people.
Do you think this is deserved?
What is she stealing?
What?
Oh my god. These kind of people piss me off, dog. Does anything happen to her? Oh. Oh. Oh, they pulled up. They pulled up. Oh, yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, man. That is beautiful. I can't tell you how many videos I've seen of these people just taking other people's packages off of their doorstep, just walking off, and you never see them get caught by the cops. This was a great video.
This clip proves that it doesn't matter how old you are. You can still be a Kevin. If he's starting off this young, I'd hate to think what he's gonna do when he's older.
I think I saw this shit too.
Camera recording.
What you doing?
I was just joking.
Really? What the fuck you say? I would have his feet dangling just like, what the hell you said, kid? And now he has to play it off, and it looks so awkward because he has to act like he was just going to ask him a question. Stupid. It's already on 4K, bro. We caught you in 4K. Just go back while you still can.
Hello, hi. Are y'all home?
Really? Just walk away, kid.
Okay. Bye.
Yeah, you ain't fooling me. Oh, my goodness, man. This was a very hard compilation to get through, but let me know what you guys thought was the most ridiculous clip in this whole compilation. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next reaction video. Peace!